What is up, my good people? My name is Threat to Rest, and today we're going to be getting an exhaust on my 2012 BMW 550i. Currently, my vehicle has catless downpipes, and that's it. Today, I'm hoping to get an X-Pipe Custom with these high-flow mufflers installed in place of my stock mufflers. Here's a clip of the vehicle with stock exhaust. As you can tell, we need more sound. So I'm currently on my way to an exhaust shop, and fingers crossed they do a great job on pricing, and if they do, we're gonna get the X-Pipe and these mufflers installed today. Stay tuned.
And safe to say, I was very happy to say yes to the work done by Back Home Creations Exhaust and Repair. They not only gave me a great price, but they showed me quality work with stainless steel quality parts. A special thank you to Rob for installing the mufflers, the piping, the X-Pipe, and all the welding done that needed to make the car sound like an absolute monster. I was, and still am, extremely happy with the work that was done to my car and the way it sounds now. Here are some more clips. Thank you all so much for the support, and please support Back Home Creations.